Hello, namaste, good morning. Selamat pagi from Jakarta City. So today I just landed here at Soekarno Hatta International Airport, and this is how the arrival areas of the airport looks like. And this is Terminal 2 of Soekarno Hatta International Airport. So I'm getting out from the gate, and today I'm going to show you how to take train service from the airport to the city. As soon as you get out from the gate, you can see a board written SkyTrain. So follow the right hand side from the gate and just walk straight. Along the way, you can see the board of AW restaurant. I'm just saying that one to help as a landmark for people to recognize the way. And beside that, there is a police booth. So if you walk a little bit more beside that, there is ladders going upstairs, the brick paved ladders. So you need to go upstairs from these ladders to the first floor. Arriving on the first floor, you can see there is a reception area of some hotel. So you need to take the left hand side way and go straight inside this waiting area. So as soon as you enter this area, on the left hand side you can see another door, and from this door we need to go inside. And on the right hand side you can see there is lift. So from here, I will take lift to go one more floor up in the second floor. So I'm saying everything in details because it is quite confusing for first time to take train service, and I haven't seen a lot of people taking train as a foreigner from this airport to the city. And I already arrived in the second floor. The view is very good, and from here I will take again another left hand side and just walk straight. And there are board also, so you can read the board and you can follow the path. Walking for a few minutes, I'm here at SkyTrain platform in Terminal 2, and this SkyTrain passes through Terminal 1, 2, and 3. So wherever, whichever terminal you are, you can use this SkyTrain, and it will take me to the main train station, the train platform located in the airport. Here, stop for city train.
Sesaat lagi Anda akan segera tiba di stasiun kereta bandara. Selamat datang di stasiun kereta bandara. Now we are approaching Airport Railway Station. Welcome to Airport Railway Station. Pintu akan segera dibuka. Door are opening.
Okay, here comes my end of Skytrain, and after you get off here, you can see the board, the way towards this train platform. And if you get confused, you can ask anyone here. It's very easy. There are officials, security guards, people, anyone can assist you. I just ask some people which is the way. So I need to walk more. So let's walk and find the platform of train. For your information, there is one train service. It passes from airport to the city along the way. And if you want to get to your location, which might not be along the way of this train, you can use the map to find out which location is nearest to you, and you can just change the train. Otherwise, you can just find the nearest location and stop over there. And for me, I'm going to stop in Batu Ceper, my first station, and from there, I'm going to take another train. So here, you can get the tickets using a card through a machine, or you can pay by cash to the counter staff, and they will help you to get the tickets. And for me, I'm using cash to get the tickets.
That's good.
Ya mas, cek soal dulu bahasa ini mas.
How much is that?
Ticket 1442.
Yes. And the price?
Yeah. 27.
27k. Okay, 50.
We have 2,000. Yeah.
Okay.
Paid 27,000 Indonesian rupiah for this ticket from airport to Batu Ceper, and I waited for around 1.5 hours because the train departure time was at 2:42, and usually they have a fixed schedule for departure, so we need to wait for a while. And I got my turn, and we need to go through this gate, scan this ticket, but it is not working. Maybe some problem. And if you face kind of like this problem, which I also faced, I asked one officials who was standing nearby to help me. So he used his card and he let me enter inside. Maybe some problem with ticket, the barcode, something. And from here, just walk inside. Okay, finally arrived in this train, and train looks very clean, the first impression. And also the seats are very much comfortable, and the leg space I will show you. It's very much big and it's convenient to sit. However, there is no anyone in front of me, but even though if someone is sitting in front of me, I can get enough leg space. I'm already arrived here at Batu Ceper station, and you can see the route maps all along the pole and wall, so it's very easy to use. And from here, I need to get out because I buy the ticket only till Batu Ceper, and the train service from airport to the city is different line. So from here, I will get out and I will check in into another gate. So it's not transfer basically; it's entering to new train platform again. So for here, I use flash card, which is very convenient and easily available. For this, you don't need to have a bank account in Indonesia. You can just buy this card, load money, and this card is used in train services, the bus service if you use within Indonesia, and also you can pay in some grocery stores with this card. So it's very easy to use rather than carrying money. And this is how the station of Batu Ceper looks like. It's very clean, and right now I'm waiting for my train. So basically from airport to SkyTrain, and from the SkyTrain to the main platform of train within the airport, and from there now here at Batu Ceper, and from Batu Ceper I will be changing my train to go to my final destination. That's how I complete my train journey from airport to the city, and this is how the view of train looks like from inside, and it's very cool here. They have good AC system, but outside is too much hot. So take care guys, and wherever you are here, try to take this train because it's a local way of traveling and you enjoy it definitely. So bye bye, take care, and see you again. Don't forget to explore and experience.